Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tribal Fishing. So today I'm here at the Jersey Shore trying to catch me a striped bass. There's some reports and some videos online being caught right now at the shore. They're saying that fall run has started and there's a very strong mullet run. I'm going to be throwing some big plugs today. The reason why is because we have a very strong northeast winds and the wind is coming straight at us. So I'm going to be throwing some very big plugs out there and I'm going to work it slow. There's some big waves out there and a lot of white water. So today I'm going to be using more of my heavy setups. I'm going to be throwing my 9-foot Evolution rod paired up with my VS 150, my go-to surf rod. Let's see what we could get. I'm going to head to the jetty right now. Let's go fishing. Okay, I got to the jetty. It's pretty windy. We got some really strong northeast winds. Guys, there's so much bait right here, right at the jetty. Come on, just get the skunk off. Look at that, man. All that. There's like oil on top of the water, man. The surface too. I'm gonna try to throw this tsunami, the tsunami shad. Oh my god, it's going crazy right now. It's going crazy. Let's go. Come on. I had a bite, lost it right here. Let's go. As soon as you get that hit, set the hook. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Bluefish, baby. Let's go. All right. First fish, guys. We got the skunk off. Don't let it go. Let's go. Man, boy. Dang, you bit off my tsunami. Look at it. It's gone. I'm gonna catch it one more. See if I can catch another one. The broken tail. Lord, this top water. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Yo, look how bloody this thing is, man. Let's go. Fish on. Let's go. Fish on, guys. Mad bluefish today. Yo, a lot of bluefish. No stripers yet, but soon maybe. Be careful with these guys, do not get hooked. Come on, man. Relax, relax, relax. There's stripers out here, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Fish on, guys. Let's go. Pretty good now. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at this. Check this out, guys. What, striper? Oh, shit. Yo, they got stripers open here. Yo, we got stripers. You want to cast? You want to give a couple of cranks really fast so it digs deep, and then you reel it in kind of slow, okay? Let's try the mag darter. Metal lip? Yeah, man. Awesome. Let's go. Striper, baby. Let's go. Maybe a striper. It feels like a striper. Oh no, bluefish. Bluefish. Oh, bluefish. Another bluefish. Ooh. There's a lot of fish out here in the jetty. Let's go. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Whoa! Look at all these fucking birds, yo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Non-stop action right now. Non-stop action. Guys, look how similar it looks. Yozuri, mag darter, and the mullet. Look how close they are. It looks exactly the same. Oh my gosh. More bluefish. Bluefish. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna be throwing this. This is the Magnum Long 8. Go. Bomber 17A. We got dark right now. It's about 7:20. And I'm gonna start throwing this, the bomber. Let's go. Guys, I just lost my bomber, man. I'm gonna make a double uni knot. Guys, use your knots, man. Learn your knots. It's gonna catch you fish. The double uni knot. This is how I attach my monofilament to my braid. Okay, it's just 2 uni knots on each side. It takes me under a minute. See, it goes together like that. Then, there we go. Yeah, man. Also,
did you get a bass?
I didn't get a bass yet.
Fucking dude. So I was getting it like 3 foot off. Don't wing them out as far.
Don't right here, right?
Yeah.
Closer. All right. All right. Let's try the shad, guys. Yeah, that didn't last long. Fish on. First night fish. What is it? It's a bluefish. This is the perfect setup right here. Alright, it's kind of getting too dark. It's getting pitch black out here. Kind of feeling a little uncomfortable out here at the jetty by myself. Maybe there's like one or two other anglers here, but it's pretty sketchy, man. Smaller cocktail. This guy broke my cherry in half, bro. Damn, he broke my Ozuri in half, yo. It's 10 o'clock at night. I've been fishing there for a good like maybe 4 or 5 hours, and the bite was crazy. There was a lot of bluefish, stripers being caught. I haven't caught a striper yet, but I'm gonna keep trying to catch one. The bite at the jetties right now, it's crazy. There's mullet everywhere. I'm in my car. I'm gonna be sleeping in my car tonight, and I'm about to eat. I got some Jersey Mike sub. Also, I'm watching you know, my favorite YouTuber, C Money, his latest video when he caught that bluefin tuna. It's crazy videos. He's my favorite YouTuber. I'm just gonna chill, gonna get some rest, and I'm gonna hit the jetty again. When I wake up, maybe 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning or sun up, I'm gonna try to catch me a striper. So I'll catch you later, guys. Morning. So guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I woke up late. I'm on my way to the jetty. It's gonna take me about 20 minutes. Catch you there. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm headed to my spot. Headed to the jetty. I'm in South Jersey. And let's see what we can get. I'm at the Barnegan Light right now in the morning. It's 5 o'clock. It's about 5:20 in the morning. Barnegan Inlet. Trying to catch a striper. Let's go. But I throw this at night or the all white. Let's see what we could get with this one. Alright, it's gonna be my first cast. We got east winds right now, pretty strong. Let's see. It's not getting hit. I'm gonna change it out. Let's go. Fish on, guys. First fish. Bluefish. Man, lost it. It's okay, it's okay. Let's go. There's plenty of bluefish out there. Try to catch me a striper. There we go. Fish on, guys. Ah, oh, squish my balls. Let's go. Change out these treble hooks, man. Oh good, bro. Change them out to single hooks. First top water. Oh, I lost it. Man, lost it, bro. Lost it. Not too far. Gotta reel in the slack really fast. Work the plug. Let's go. Woo! Cast it, baby. Let's catch some stripers. Oh my god! I'm by myself at the jetty right now. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, baby. Bring it in, baby. Woo. Okay, a little bigger bluefish. A little bigger one. Ooh, this one's a bleeder. Oh. Let's go. Gotta reel in the slack. Let's work it. Oh man, there's a lot of bluefish trying after it. Oh, look at that. Oh, fish on, guys. So much fun right now. Woo! Alright, let's go. Another bluefish. Like literally, clean the fucking cap. Let's go. Oh, so much bluefish right now. Top water everywhere. Let's go. Another bluefish. Yo, it's like so much fun. Let it go. Calm down, buddy. As soon as I just throw it in there, man. Oh my god, another hit, man. Shit. Another hit. Oh my god, it took my lure, yo. It took my lure. Damn. Alright, let's see if we could do some top water again. Man, I lost my small spoon, yo. Alright, we got this on right here. We got the super strike. Man, I hope I don't lose this one. Makes a lot of splash. Oh my gosh, let's go. Oh, swimming to the right. Nice bluefish, though. Yeah. Guys, fish on. Man, this one just landed and hit it right away. Got off. It's okay, it's okay. Alright guys, this is the top water I've been using and it's doing really good. I have my Evolution 9-foot rod. I have my DS 150 with 40-pound braid. Got 30-pound monofilament tactical angler clip, and I got my super strike top water, the green eye. cast it out. Boom. Watch this, guys. Take some time, some practice, but it's really fun, man. The more practice you get, the better you're gonna get at it. This is just everything. Let's go. Okay, guys, so this morning caught a couple of bluefish. I haven't caught a striper yet for the fall run. I'm gonna come back next time in a couple of days. I'm gonna see if I could catch one. Today's conditions, we have really strong winds from the east. It was kind of hard to cast out there. I recommend you guys using the Uzuri mag darter. They look just like the mullet out there. SP minnows, the Uzuris, they're all gonna work. I did a lot of top water action. I was using the Super Strike and the other one. Early morning when sunrise, I was just popping in the top of the surface and bluefish were going crazy. I'm gonna be coming back in a couple of days and see what we could get. Thanks for watching, guys.